So this week, we talked about alignment, communication, governance, and volunteers. But underneath it all, there's something deeper that keeps it all alive. Welcome back to the rest stop. You made it to Friday, and before anything else, take a second to feel that. You did the work this week. You showed up. You stayed the course. This morning isn't about systems or schedules. It's about why you started building them in the first place. Because culture doesn't thrive on spreadsheets. It thrives on heart. Every meeting, rehearsal, late night cleanup lives inside one question. Why are we doing this? The answer is rarely because the bylaws said so. It's because these kids deserve magic. It's because art changes people. It's because we remember what it felt like when someone believed in us. That's the heart behind the structure. The reason we endure the politics, the exhaustion, and the hard conversations. Without that why, the systems turn sterile. With it, they come alive. Heart is what keeps rules humane. It turns a policy into protection. It turns a checklist into care. So here's your challenge for today. Reconnect with your why before you walk into your next responsibility. Write it on a sticky note. Put it on your desk, your dashboard, your phone background. And when you feel the pull of frustration, look at it. That single act will realign you faster than any meeting ever could. Because burnout doesn't come from doing too much. It comes from forgetting why you started. And if your why has changed, that's okay. Growth doesn't mean you've lost heart. It means your heart is maturing. I see the director who keeps showing up even when the applause fades. I see the parent who volunteers quietly because someone has to. I see the kid who's watching all of this and learning what commitment looks like through their lens. You've built something real this month. Not perfect, not polished, but real. And real is where culture lives because authenticity is contagious. When you lead with honesty, people relax. When you lead with gratitude, people give more. And when you lead with heart, they remember why they're here. So, as you move into the weekend, take a slower breath. Look around your program, your home, your people. See them not as roles, but as hearts. The structure keeps us steady. The heart keeps us human. Next week, we'll start week 3 of the rebuild. Building deeper alignment, clearer communication, and stronger systems that serve people, not the other way around. But today, rest your hands on the wheel. Look at the sunrise and remember, you are part of something sacred. You are part of the rebuild. And we're rebuilding culture one morning, one heartbeat, one rest stop at a time.